To log into the ORSkills system, you will need to visit orskills.wesd.org/login. If you are a returning teacher, enter your username, which is your first name dot last name, in lowercase letters. Then enter the password you set for your account. If you are unsure what your password is, you can select the Forgot Password feature. This will send a link to reset your password for the ORSkills system to your school email. If you use this feature and you are unable to receive the email, please reach out to willamettepromise@wesd.org. If you are a new teacher, your username is your first name dot last name in lowercase letters. Your temporary password is welcome1 with a capital W and the number 1. Once you've logged in, the system will prompt you to reset your password to one of your choosing. For further questions, please contact us at willamettepromise@wesd.org.